Ready to take your Aisensy WhatsApp messages from text-only to visually captivating in just a few simple steps. First, let's navigate to the Media section. Locate the left sidebar menu and click on the Media option. This area stores all your images and files for easy access. Now, spot the Upload button, click on it. A window will prompt you to select the image file you wish to upload. Make sure your image is in a supported format like JPEG, PNG, or WEB. In the File Explorer, locate the image you want to use in your WhatsApp messages and select it. Double-click on the image or click once and hit the Open button. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Wait for it to reach 100%. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear. You may now see the image in the media library. The uploaded image is now ready to be used. You can now incorporate it into your message templates, broadcast messages, or any other supported feature that allows media integration. Simple as that. And that's how you upload an image file to Aisensy. Start enhancing your WhatsApp communications and create an engaging experience for your customers.